Okay, if you have been waiting for the right time to start listing products in your Etsy shop for the fall season, now is the time. Don't wait for the weather to start changing. Don't wait for the end of summer vacation. Now, in the middle of summer, is the prime opportunity to get your shop ready for the fall. Because here's the thing that a lot of sellers don't realize when they start their Etsy shop. It takes time for Etsy to index your listings. It takes time to what I call let your listings marinate on Etsy. And now is the right opportunity to hop in. The other thing that a lot of people don't realize is that Etsy buyers are already buying for spooky season, for fall, for Thanksgiving. I have already started making sales in my Etsy shop on pumpkin themed items. So now is the prime time. Today, I'm going to be breaking down 5 print on demand products that you should consider listing in your Etsy shop for the fall season. And these are not based on guessing, these are based on data. So I'm going to be showing you today the numbers behind those products and why you should consider selling those in your shop. Hey there, my name is Emily. I'm a mom of 2 and now a 7-figure Etsy print on demand seller. I can't even believe I'm saying that. And I started this whole journey with no design or business experience, but using my education background, I love helping others start, grow, and scale their own Etsy print on demand shops. Every week, I am sharing with you honest, practical Etsy tips that you can implement right away. And I'm right there in the trenches with you, selling every single day in my own Etsy shop. All right, so let's dive into the 5 products that I am really looking at for the fall season. And again, going back to what I said earlier, the reason you want to start listing right now in the middle of summer is because it's going to take some time for your listings to get discovered. Sometimes you'll get lucky and they will start to take off right away, but it is really important to give your listings and your products some time. The other thing that I want to share about today's 5 products is the great thing is they're all evergreen products as well. So even though we're focusing on them today, kind of getting ready for the fall season and for Q4, they are products that are going to sell all year round. So really, you're investing in your shop for the future as well. All right, so 5 products. Let's dive into number 1. And if you've been around my channel for a little bit, you know this is one of my very favorite products. And I love it because it's so unique and so giftable. And it is the plates and platters from Deco Plate. Now, these are an exclusive product. You can only access these through AnywherePOD. Now, when you create an AnywherePOD account, you can actually connect multiple print partners. And what I love so much about that is that I can sell a variety of products in my shop, but manage them all in one location with my AnywherePOD account. And Deco Plates has been one of my favorite, I would say, underrated products out there for a long time now. Last year, I did a breakdown of a sample I got and why I absolutely love this product. And it is still not failing me. I just had a couple plates become bestsellers throughout Mother's Day, Father's Day, and I expect to keep investing in this product, especially leading into the fall season. And one thing that's so amazing about these plates and platters is, as I said, they're extremely giftable. They are perfect and unique gifts for different occasions. Think housewarming gifts, engagement gifts, wedding gifts, different holidays, seasonal products, gifts for people that are hosting parties. So there's a lot of different opportunity there. And especially going into the fall season where it is all about gifting, all about hosting, all about gatherings, these plates and platters I can see being a total focal point of those events. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I am going to be basing everything in data, in numbers, and showing you things that are actually selling. So I'm over here on Etsy and I've done a simple search for platters, and I am using the Everbee extension. Everbee has been my go-to research tool for the entirety of my Etsy shop. And one thing that I love about it is that the extension is built right into your browser. So you can be right on Etsy doing your research without having to open multiple tabs. And over here on the left-hand side, I'm going to select product analytics. And that's going to allow me to view all of these listings more in a table format, which can be super helpful. And one thing I'm looking for is kind of the overall sales and also how old the listing is or the shop is, just to kind of get an idea of what's selling out there and, is it possible for me as a newer seller to make sales? So this shop is only 10 months old. Their total shop has just over 1,600 sales, and over 430 of those have come just from this one platter. You can see that one platter has brought in over $13,000 in revenue. And for a young shop like this, that is huge. So these are kind of the indicators I am looking for that there is definitely some demand there. With these plates and platters, there's a lot of different opportunities and niches you can go into, and a lot of them are evergreen, but you could also sprinkle in some seasonal designs as well. I also have some exciting news coming soon about a new product offering that Deco Plate is going to be launching, and I am so excited about that. So there's more to come. But again, if you want to try Deco Plate and you want to try selling these plates and platters, you can access those directly through AnywherePOD, and I'll include a link below so you can try it free for 30 days as well. All right, moving on to product number 2. And this is one that I've recently talked a bit about, and that is going to be blankets. Now, blankets are such a high quality product. I recently did a review of Pick the Gifts 2 blankets that they offer through Printify, and these blankets are just top notch. Blankets are a great gift product, and also thinking about fall and winter, it's a cozy product. It is something people go to when they're thinking about buying holiday gifts, fall gifts. They like to bundle up, they like to get cozy. And these are things that are going to be at the top of people's minds when they're purchasing gifts for this upcoming fall season. Now, when it comes to blankets, one of the keys, as always, is going to be getting specific. And thinking about the fall season, something like fall sports is a huge niche. There is a lot of buying potential there and a lot of gifts that are purchased during this time. One example is something like a football blanket, right? For maybe seniors, maybe it's a matching team gift, maybe it's for the coach. There's a lot of opportunity in the sports space. And then when we're thinking about fall, thinking about those seasonal fall sports, football, cross country, volleyball, etc. Now, something interesting when you are looking at the data and you're looking at Everbee, you do want to remember these seasonal ebbs and flows. So, for example, most Etsy sellers might skip over this listing because right now it's showing 0 monthly sales. But this listing has only been up for 10 months and it has over 230 sales. My gut is telling me that this blanket really took off last fall, and that is something that you want to be aware of. Now, Everbee has a tool that can help you with that. So if you click on a product and get the details, you can also look at the trend graph and look at the all-time trend of this product. And we can see here that my inkling was right. In September and October, this seller sold the majority of the blankets during that time. So you can see they sold over 89 of them in September and 77 blankets in October. And so these trends and these ebbs and flows are things you want to keep in mind when you're doing your research, because if not, you might skip over great product opportunities like this one. All right, moving on to product number 3. And I know you guys are not going to be surprised by this one, and that is going to be journals. Now, I am the #1 fan of the hardcover journals on Printify, and it is the hardcover matte journal sold by District Photo. There's also a variety of other notebooks and journals that are sold on there that are fantastic options. Printify offers such a wide variety of journals and notebooks, and I absolutely love them. And as I said at the beginning of the video, if you're using a tool like AnywherePOD, the great thing is all these things integrate directly into your AnywherePOD account, so you can access them right there. Now, the question might be, is there still room in the journal space for me? And the answer is absolutely yes. And journals surprise me because I honestly didn't think people would buy them as a gift, especially, for the holidays or an occasion. But these are an incredibly giftable product. The other thing I like is that they're at, a reasonable price. And so they are accessible for a lot of Etsy buyers. So here is an example of a kind of evergreen niche, but I expect this product to sell really well kind of going into the fall and the holidays. So here's an example of a journal, super simple design, but it has a very specific customer in mind, right? So this is in kind of the Christian niche. It's a prayer journal, has a bit of a trendier design, so kind of maybe geared towards a younger female. And this design is so simple, but has been selling really well, is currently a bestseller. And I absolutely see this continuing to increase. So again, even though this is an evergreen product, this is primed for purchase for this upcoming big fall swing in sales. Moving on to product number 4, this is another little product that has absolutely stolen my heart this year. I have been really obsessed with it this past year, especially in the last few months, and that is can coolers. Now, can coolers, as I've said before, are a small but mighty product. And what I love so much about them is there's a lot of opportunity for bulk purchases. So one customer coming in buying 10, 20, 30 at a time. And as I said at the beginning, the fall is really a huge time for gatherings, a huge time for getting people together, parties, big events. And when you think about the fall, there are a lot of different unique opportunities, right? Think about things like football tailgates, family reunions, Thanksgiving dinners, Friendsgiving dinners, Halloween parties, kids' Halloween parties, adult Halloween parties, everything in between. There is a lot of different occasions that are happening in this fall season. And can coolers are a perfect party favor for that time because they are small, they are able to be purchased in bulk, and they make a great party favor, and people absolutely love them. Now you can see here, this is a simple search for bachelorette can coolers, and bachelorette parties are another great lane you can take with this product. Think about fall themes for bachelorette parties. Think about Halloween or falling in love, really kind of adding those fall colors and those fall aesthetics to them. But you can see here that can coolers, even those that have only been listed 2 months, 12 months. They're making really big sales right now on Etsy. This one has only been listed about 4 months and is making about 64 sales. Now you can see this is a coastal kind of summer theme, right? But what are people going to be looking for when it comes to fall? They're going to be looking for those fall vibes for that bachelorette party, and that's where your shop can come into play. Now, these are can coolers sold through Printify and Pick the Gift. Absolutely love them. I have gotten nothing but 5-star reviews on these can coolers. And needless to say, I've been obsessed, and they are definitely a focus going into this kind of busy fall season where people are just wanting something unique to give out at a special event or gathering. And last but not least, hitting on product number 5, and that is my go-to candles. Now, candles have been my real ride or die since the beginning of my Etsy shop when I shifted to selling gift products. And candles really shine during the fall season. This is when people are wanting, as I said earlier, to get cozy. They're wanting to give a special gift, and candles really make a unique opportunity for you. And what I love so much about them is they're so simple. These are gifts and designs that are incredibly simple and truly just sold with words. Now, when it comes to candles, what I can recommend to you is you don't necessarily have to think specifically about the fall season or the winter season or a holiday in particular. But what people are going to be looking for are unique products that they can give as gifts that hit on hobbies, careers, interests that that person has. And so it's important to kind of think of those evergreen opportunities in, maybe it's a candle for somebody who plays mahjong. Maybe it's a candle for someone who loves to watch football. These different hobbies and incorporating those into your candles is going to be really important. And just to illustrate how candles are still absolutely dominating out there and working for new shops as well, this shop has only been open about 3 months and has over 1,000 sales, over 1.4K sales actually. And all they are selling right now are candles. And you can see that they are just using the same template over and over again, but they are using their words to sell these candles. And so this is an area, especially as we're heading into fall, into cozy season, into gifting season. Candles are still absolutely a huge product that can really, really, really be a home run for you in the fall. All right, so we have broken down 5 products that will absolutely help your fall sales go through the roof. Just to recap, those are plates and platters that you can access through Deco Plate on AnywherePOD. Then we talked about blankets, prime gifting, high quality product that people are willing to pay really good money for. 3, we dove into journals. That is really a reliable, kind of old faithful product for me, and those are selling incredibly well for new shops and new listings. Then we talked about can coolers, which are a great option as a party favor opportunity, especially for kind of fall seasonal events. And last but not least, we talked about candles, which again are really my ride or die product and sell incredibly well during the fall season. And if you don't take anything else away from today, what I would like you to know is that the fall is going to be a big time for purchasing on Etsy. And those that are going to really see the benefit of that are those that are listing and planning right now. Does that mean you need to have a shop full of Halloween themed products or fall leaves? Absolutely not. But it just means being intentional with the products that you're focusing on and the customers that you're focusing on, really preparing your shop for what people are going to be looking for come September, October, November, and so on. So I'd love to hear from you below. Are you going to be focusing on any of these products as you prep your shop for the fall? And as always, don't forget to hit like or subscribe below so you don't miss a single weekly video. My name is Emily, and I look forward to seeing you next time.